Want to ensure we have the correct training and implement it properly. Use proper spray equipment use and maintenance, and always follow our confined space procedures. Can the attendant enter a confined space? Never. Never. And that's probably the hardest thing for an attendant, to be outside of the tank and see one of his workers go down inside of the tank and resist the temptation to go in to save it. But chances are the attendant will now become the next victim. Happens many times. I guess most everyone's seen the videos, training videos of the guys going into the tank. I think wound up on that one. There was, I think, 5 people killed due to a oxygen deficiency zone.
Is that where the grandpa, the dad, and the son all went down?
Probably so. And there was 5 people. That was a true story. So first one went down. The guy watching the hole went in after him. He fell because of lack of oxygen. Another guy came by, seen the 2 down inside of the pit. He scrambled down inside of the pit, passed out. Then a 4th guy, and then a 5th guy, and then the 6th guy come by and alerted for help. And what happened is they were using argon, and there was a leak on a argon line, and it filled that whole lower portion of the pit with argon gas. And argon displaces oxygen. So down in the bottom of that pit there was no oxygen. I think it shows actually one of the would-be rescuers donned a full face respirator before going down. It just goes to show there's no oxygen. A respirator is not going to do you a bit of good. So I think up on that one, it was either 4 or either 5 guys killed, and just in a matter of minutes.